The Ministry of Education seems to be losing the argument with the private schools, at least in the view of the House of Elders. The House of Elders Committee on the dispute between the Ministry of Education and private schools today rejected the regulation issued by the ministry, which is at the heart of the dispute. Abdullahi Hassan with the details.
The Secretary General of the House of Elders, Mr. Abdi Nasir Beksi, read before the House of Elders the report of the House's Committee on the dispute between the Ministry of Education and private schools. The report said that the regulation issued by the ministry conflicts with the Education Act, passed by the Parliament and the Constitution of Somaliland. The Secretary General added that the committee will have further discussions with the sides of the dispute, and that both sides will comply with the decision of the House of Elders.
The regulation issued by the ministry contradicts the National Education Law, that's Law number 72/2018, and conflicts with the objectives of Article 115 of Constitution of Somaliland. So the regulation contradicts both the education law and the Constitution.
The dispute between the Minister of Education and the private schools centers on the distribution of scholarship awards granted to Somaliland government. The ministry in its regulation wants the scholarships to be specific for public school students. The private schools argued that the decision discriminates against their students, which the government also is responsible for. For the past few months, Somaliland Parliament has been trying to break the deadlock between the Ministry of Education and the private sector education providers. Both houses of Parliament have met with the sides on multiple occasions.